The FEIN Professional Heating and Sanitary Installation Set. Robust, cost-effective, ideal. With the FEIN recess cutting tools, it's easy to cut out a channel for hot water underfloor heating. Prefabricated systems often involve long drying times and relatively large installation heights. They cost time and money. To install lines cost-effectively, cut individual recesses directly in the board with minimal dust and high precision. Then you can lay 1/2 or 3/4 inch plastic water pipes in the recesses. The set includes 3 different cutting tools. 9mm for power cables, 22mm for standard underfloor heating or water piping, and 13mm for electrical, wall or building heating systems. Individual bathroom plumbing or wellness facilities, for example, can be completed easily and cost-effectively with the FEIN SuperCut construction and the recess cutting tools. The professional set also includes the diamond tool for removing tiles. Thanks to the oscillating motion, very little dust is produced, ideal for all repairs and for removing old plumbing. Use the carbide rasp to remove tile adhesive, plaster or screed with the FEIN SuperCut construction. With the FEIN SuperCut and the E-Cut universal saw blades, you can saw off plastic or copper pipes flush with the wall. I find the FEIN SuperCut construction with the professional heating and sanitary installation set ideal. With the stopper knife, you can remove old flooring and adhesive residue in a flash. The FEIN Professional Heating and Sanitary Installation Set. Robust, cost-effective, ideal.